Milk processing is one of the most promising agribusiness opportunities in Kenya today. The country is among the leading milk producers in Africa, with annual milk production running into billions of liters. As the population grows and urban areas expand, demand for safe, high-quality dairy products continues to rise. While many farmers still sell raw milk, there is increasing demand for processed products such as pasteurized milk, yogurt, cheese, butter, cream, ice cream, and flavored milk. This creates excellent opportunities for entrepreneurs who want to enter the dairy value chain. One of the biggest opportunities is pasteurized milk processing. Raw milk has a short shelf life and can spoil quickly if not handled properly. Processing and pasteurizing milk improves safety and extends its storage period. Supermarkets, hotels, schools, hospitals, and households prefer packaged milk because it meets quality standards and is convenient to use. A small processing plant can buy milk from local farmers, process it, package it, and sell it under its own brand. With good marketing and quality control, a milk brand can grow steadily and build customer loyalty. Yogurt production is another attractive business opportunity. Many Kenyans are becoming more health conscious and are looking for nutritious products that support digestion and overall wellness. Yogurt is popular among children, young adults, and working professionals. Entrepreneurs can produce plain yogurt or introduce flavors such as vanilla, strawberry, mango, and mixed fruit. Small yogurt processing businesses can start with modest investments and gradually expand as demand increases. Attractive packaging and consistent quality can help a new brand compete successfully in local markets. Cheese production offers significant potential because local demand continues to increase. Fast food restaurants, hotels, bakeries, and households use cheese regularly. While cheese production requires specialized skills and equipment, it often provides higher profit margins than ordinary milk sales. Different varieties such as mozzarella, cheddar, and cream cheese can target different customer segments. As Kenya's hospitality industry continues to grow, demand for locally produced cheese is expected to rise further. Butter and cream processing also present good opportunities. Many bakeries require butter for cakes, pastries, and bread. Restaurants and hotels use cream in food preparation and desserts. Entrepreneurs can separate cream from milk and process it into various products. These products often command higher prices than ordinary milk, making them attractive for value addition. Ice cream manufacturing is another growing segment of the dairy industry. Kenya's warm climate and expanding middle class have increased demand for frozen desserts. Shopping malls, supermarkets, entertainment centers, schools, and tourist destinations provide a large customer base. Businesses can create unique flavors using local fruits such as passion fruit, mango, pineapple, and avocado. Creative branding and quality ingredients can help an ice cream business stand out in a competitive market. Flavored milk products are becoming increasingly popular, especially among young consumers. Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and coffee-flavored milk appeal to people who may not regularly consume ordinary milk. Schools, universities, supermarkets, and convenience stores offer strong sales channels for these products. The business requires relatively simple processing methods compared to some other dairy products, making it accessible to new entrepreneurs. Another promising area is milk collection and cooling services. Many dairy farmers lose income because milk spoils before reaching processors. Modern cooling facilities help preserve milk quality and reduce losses. Recent investments across Kenya have increased the number of milk cooling centers, highlighting the importance of cold chain infrastructure in the dairy sector. Entrepreneurs can establish milk collection centers equipped with cooling tanks and earn income by supplying high-quality milk to processors. This model also strengthens relationships with local farmers and supports rural economic development. Production of dairy snacks and specialty products is gaining attention as consumer preferences change. Products such as probiotic yogurt drinks, drinking yogurt, dairy desserts, and premium milk beverages are attracting customers looking for healthier and more convenient food options. Entrepreneurs who identify emerging trends early can build strong brands before the market becomes crowded. Packaging itself can create business opportunities. Modern consumers prefer products that are attractive, hygienic, and easy to carry. Businesses that invest in quality packaging often gain a competitive advantage. Different package sizes can target different customer groups, from small affordable packs for daily use to larger family-sized containers. Effective packaging also helps build brand recognition and customer trust. Export opportunities may also emerge for processors who achieve high-quality standards. Neighboring countries continue to experience growing demand for dairy products. Although exporting requires compliance with strict regulations and quality requirements, it can provide access to larger markets and higher revenues. Businesses that focus on quality control from the beginning position themselves better for future expansion. Technology is increasingly transforming milk processing. Modern equipment improves efficiency, reduces waste, and maintains consistent quality. Digital systems can help track milk collection, monitor production, manage inventory, and improve customer service. Businesses that embrace technology often achieve better productivity and profitability. Even small processors can benefit from simple digital solutions for record-keeping and sales management. Environmental sustainability is creating additional opportunities within the dairy sector. Byproducts generated during milk processing can sometimes be converted into valuable products instead of being discarded. Entrepreneurs are exploring ways to utilize dairy waste, reduce environmental impact, and create additional revenue streams. Sustainable practices can also strengthen a company's reputation among consumers and investors. Starting a milk processing business requires careful planning. Entrepreneurs must secure reliable milk supplies, obtain the necessary licenses, invest in suitable equipment, and maintain strict hygiene standards. Building strong relationships with dairy farmers is essential because product quality begins at the farm level. Consistent milk quality helps processors produce better products and reduce production challenges. Capital requirements vary depending on the scale of operation. A small yogurt processing unit may start with a few $100,000 Kenyan, while a larger milk processing plant may require several million Kenyan shillings. Entrepreneurs should prepare realistic business plans and understand operating costs such as milk purchases, packaging, electricity, transport, labor, and marketing. Proper financial management is critical for long-term success. Marketing plays a major role in the dairy industry. Consumers have many choices, so businesses must clearly communicate the quality and benefits of their products. Social media, local promotions, supermarket partnerships, and community events can help build awareness. Offering samples allows customers to experience products before purchasing them. Positive customer experiences often lead to repeat purchases and word-of-mouth recommendations. The future of milk processing in Kenya looks bright. Rising urbanization, population growth, increasing health awareness, improved dairy farming practices, and expanding cold chain infrastructure continue to create opportunities across the value chain. Entrepreneurs who focus on quality, innovation, and customer needs can build successful businesses that generate income while supporting farmers and strengthening the country's dairy industry. Milk processing is no longer just about selling milk. It is about creating value, meeting changing consumer preferences, and developing sustainable businesses that can grow for many years to come.